guys, what's up? Today we will be doing this Nickelodeon slime kit. Make your own slime. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into these instructions. So let's see. Part A. Measure 10 millimeter. Oh, directions of whatever that says. Whatever that says. Slime. And then Part A. Measure 10 millimeters of white glue using the supply measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Script on the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the measuring cup right here.
Okay, we supposed to cover the table?
I don't think so, no.
No?
Oh.
Just in case we might get messy.
It don't say. Alright, so 10 millimeters.
Does what it says?
Yeah, 10 millimeters, see?
Okay, okay.
It's right here, 10 millimeters. Where's the millimeters?
Okay.
Right there. Alright, so right there.
Okay, put it up. Alright, that enough?
There we go. Whew. Alright, now we're going to pour all this glue into this cup. Well, whatever.
Yeah, just gotta scrape it with one of those stick. It says to scrape it, maybe with just one of those.
I'll just use this stick.
Yeah.
We're supposed to use it. I don't know.
Alright, that's good enough.
Yeah, alright. There you go.
Leave the stick right there.
Alright,
just gonna.
So there's that. Alright, now. Alright. Okay, we'll measure 30 millimeters of water, room temperature.
Is it warm water?
I don't know, I'll just put it in.
Okay,
we're back, guys, so pause the video, and now we're gonna pour 30 milliliters in here. Okay, now let's see. Let's just accidentally put some water in here.
Okay, I think it says mix it.
Wait, hold on. Stop. Let's do this. To make colored slime.
Well, you
want to make colored slime?
You were doing that. 30 millimeters of water, room temperature, pour in the same bowl as the glue to make sticky slime. Add more water.
We don't want sticky slime, do we?
I don't know. I mean,
no. Let's see. So then we want. So let's. All right. Let's.
Well, I don't know. What's that?
Whoa. Over the table.
Here. Yeah. That's why we should cover the table with
there we go.
Something.
Oh.
Plastic bag. Hey, don't put on your shirt.
Alright, now it says, if we go neon bright, make colored slime. Okay, we're gonna do a spoon, 1 spoon of blue dye. Ah, this is hard.
Okay. Are you?
Okay, with this Can you open that up? I'll hold this for you.
Okay.
Right. Bam.
Just
Right now.
put it in there?
No. Here.
1 spoon?
Hold that. Okay, take this. Right now. Okay, now we're gonna do 1 spoon of this. 1 full spoon. Hey guys, what's up? This is part 2 of Nickelodeon Slime. Alright, so if you're catching up, we just added, well, we kind of did this off camera, but we added 1 spoonful of blue. Alright. Do you want to do glow in the dark?
Yeah.
Alright, so it looks like it says this is the glow in the dark. See, it says to make glow in the dark. Okay, so we're going to do the same with what we did with the blue.
Just 1 spoon?
1 spoonful, yeah. Another half.
Just here, scrape it with this.
Probably not, don't want to get it on your hands, because then they would turn into glow in the dark hands.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, got all that.
So you just rip the box.
No.
Just put it in the bottom.
Probably shouldn't. Alright,
Here, put it in here. Whatever.
we'll just do it on top of the
Okay.
box. Alright.
Top of the box, I guess.
Alright.
All
Now
right.
we're gonna mix this all up.
Do what it says. It says, make glowing colors by mixing glow.
We don't have to
Wait,
do that. Go silly.
right.
Oh, we could add some googly eyes to it if you wanted.
Not yet.
Well, we can.
Not yet.
We can right now. It says. Nope, we had googly eyes.
Okay,
right
then
now.
just
We can
put
mix
in.
it up.
I don't know. You have the instructions.
So, says hold back.
We're just gonna mix it.
Yep. So it says this whole entire bag of googly eyes. We're gonna make it go silly. If we want to go silly. Go ahead and pour those in.
The whole entire thing? No,
Uh-huh,
I
it
don't
says-
think you should.
Oh, too late. Already done.
Okay.
Alright. Part B. Alright, this is part B.
Okay.
Okay, it says measure 2 level spoons of slime powder and empty it into a second bowl. We only have 1.
Shouldn't throw it the other day.
Oh, it's talking about this.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Alright. So, it says
To what?
2 level.
To
Okay, it says 2. Is it still coming? Okay. And right back. Part B, 2. Measure 15 millimeters of hot water and pour it into the bowl. Stir mixture until a second bowl. Alright, so right there. It says.
Okay.
Alright. We have. I kind of got myself mistaken with this. It's supposed to be this, but I
Okay.
accidentally got water.
You got this, so you can
Yeah.
cut a corner, like just a corner of
Yeah.
the bag.
Right there. That
Yep.
good.
So to what? How much you need? 2 spoons.
60 spoons.
Okay. Put in the second cup.
There.
2. 1 and 2. All right.
Alright.
Okay, just leave it in there, I guess, and get what?
50 millimeters of
50
hot water right here.
All right. Just put it in there. Let's just say what it is.
Alright.
Stir it, or
And once powder is completely dissolved. Alright, so this is
note.
be careful with hot water. You may want an adult to help you with this part. But I got it by myself.
What you already got?
But I kind of Got
Well,
my
that-
arm burnt a little bit, but
No,
I'm okay.
That's probably. Alright, what
So
next?
stick number 2.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
just keep doing this until it's all dissolved up. And I just got that water all over my foot.
Yeah. Alright, that's, I think.
It hasn't dissolved yet.
Okay.
You have to wait until all of it's dissolved. Number 3 says, once powder is completely dissolved, slowly pour the solution into the glue.
This
What
solution.
solution? Oh, this stuff.
Into this.
Then it says mixture from part A. While stirring it, you'll see the liquid mixing to get thicker and thicker. Continue until all solution is absorbed and it gels up.
What?
Wait a few minutes until it cools down. You'll then have a slimy material to play with. Tip: double the receipt to make a larger amount of slime at one act.
Yeah, it wants you to do all over again if you want more slime.
It's almost all dissolved up.
Okay. Okay, once it's done, you need to pour it onto this cup right here.
There's a hair in there.
Oh, it's okay. Well, come on.
Don't want a hair.
All right, you're getting all the instructions wet.
I know, that's next thing. Alright. That seems good enough.
Yep, pour it in there.
Pour it into there.
And then mix it.
Mix it up.
Yeah, it's getting
Oh, it's
thick. It's already
thick already.
thick.
It's already thick
What,
already.
see, this is why you shouldn't put all the what's it called?
Googly eyes?
Yeah.
No, because then it would be silly slime. Because guys, if you put the googly eyes in, it would turn out like this slime.
Yeah. You want to put any more coloring, like those kind of, like green or?
Yeah, we could do a couple more.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe. Yeah.
We'll just do one of each.
It says put multiple color, I think.
If you want, but I mean, we'll do it wherever our spoon went. Right there. How many?
Just one spoon, I think.
Yeah, one spoon of each.
Yeah, it's thick now.
Keep stirring because we're going to add some green dye.
Okay, I think that's the green dye. So which one is the
Okay.
glow in the dark?
Right here.
Oh, so that's what you already added, right?
Yeah.
That one, right? Okay. Well,
Look at
after it's done, we are gonna try it in the dark and see.
We'll
Last
probably have to put it under light. We'll have to put it under a light for a long time.
Well, last time we did that bag, it's supposed to be glow in the dark.
No, that's not the one. That's just Joey's. I was just right back there.
Yeah, this
It has
didn't
to be
work out to
sitting in the
glow.
light.
This didn't work out to glow in the dark.
Because we have to have it sitting in the light.
Alright, I think this is
Right. Oh,
well, this is good. So
almost all
Wait.
done.
what are you doing? You're gonna make some
don't
multiple
know.
color?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want a cool texture. Or could just add like
I don't know, we're
One
just
bottle.
mixing everything up a little bit.
a little bit of everything.
I mean, a little bit of, yeah. That. Maybe you should put more. No, that's enough. That's enough.
This is the
Elijah.
last one. So,
Well, I don't know. Wait.
well, we want it to
I
be
think
like
it's you're supposed
super
to.
cool.
I don't know. It's just mixing colors. You should put more of glow in the dark.
More glow in the dark.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Wait,
See, to make sure it works.
Like just both of them, or just one?
I think just one.
Okay, just one whole of them.
Yeah. That's good. You want to mix it? Can't mix it with one hand, and you want to grab the...
I'll hold the camera for you if you want.
No, just you grab the container with one hand, and then with one hand mix it. Yeah, it might work with the glow in the dark. I don't know. That works. It's just too sticky or not?
Yeah, it's too sticky.
You think we need to add more glue to get, because it's like messy? Do you want to add more glue, a little bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will like be more sticky and not stay on your hand.
More sticky?
Well, yeah, it's gonna be like more hard, and like instead of
sticky.
This is just like
super stick.
Well, like
that
deteriorates.
2 globs of them.
Okay,
Yeah, that looks a little better.
You mix it.
Let's get that back on. Put that there. Alright, so it looks like you can make at least 4 different.
Yeah, you can. They give you enough to make like
4 of them?
4 times, yeah.
So.
Or 3. Depends on how much you make.
Yeah. So like we could do like, if we get another kit of this, we could just use these same ingredients and like have like because every time we make, we're gonna put in here and mix all up together.
Okay, if you say so. Is it more stick? It's more hard.
No. Yeah, it's a little stickier.
Yeah, I think, yep, kind of.
Here, just wipe that on this stick on the end.
That's okay. All right. This
This
turned out more.
Yeah, that turned out
more sticker now.
Yeah, no, before it's not. Yeah, it's like a lot stickier, guys. Because when I had it in my hand today, when I was waiting for him to get his camera out, yeah. Sorry. Alright. We'll probably have to wash out this bowl after each use.
Maybe not. I mean,
probably.
If you use it for the same stuff, I don't think you need to wash it.
Maybe because you don't want like other slimes to like get into your other.
But this is what we did last time.
Yeah. Go
it turned out really good.
Yeah.
So we.
Go ahead and check that video out if you haven't seen it, saw it yet.
What? It turned out really good.
Yeah. Whew, look at that. Alright,
yep.
I think it's all done.
So you wanna go and turn off the lights and let's try it.
Alright.
Let's try and see if it will glow in the dark. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Yeah, I mean, kind of no.
Let me see. Yeah, kind of close. So there's a top tip.
No, it does not glow in the dark.
Yeah, it's a tidbit. Tiny bit.
Yeah, I don't know why it never works out for us to.
We'll have to like put it in a super bright light, probably.
Bright light? For what?
Cause it probably is like, you know the solar lights, guys.
Yeah, but that's not gonna make sense. So you wanna mix it in there?
Yeah.
All right, then open this bottle and put it in there. Cause let's see this. Open this bottle and pour it out for a minute and see how. I think this is hard now. Yeah.
There we go.
Because
so you'll have to like play around with it a lot, like this, so that way it don't stick to your hands.
Yeah. That's what we did last time, and this turned out really good.
Yeah, but
the only thing is, it does not glow in the dark.
Yeah, we might have to leave it in the light longer.
Yeah, this turned out really good.
Yeah.
Slime. Okay.
Right.
Now this has to. I think this has to sit.
It says cold. It says
Wait for it.
It says wait a few minutes until it cools down.
Well, this is not hot anymore, but I think
will
you have to
then
wait.
have a slimy material to play
Yep, you got slime already.
with. Yeah.
This is pretty good now.
Yeah, it's alright. So, want to
Do
go
you
ahead and pour it in?
Yeah, sure. Just put it in there and see how they mix together. Wait,
Oh,
there's
wait, we
two
have two
bowls.
bowls.
So that's what.
Well, that's good. I didn't notice.
Not me neither until now.
I'm like, oh my. Why is it like that?
You are pouring it out of the container.
Sorry. I'm trying to get as much slime out
The
as I
green
can.
one now, it was just like this, like really runny, and then
We just.
in a few days, it
Yeah,
just
it was
turned
like-
out really.
I'm pretty sure it was like
Good.
2 or 3 days.
Yep.
So wait for like tomorrow and then tomorrow.
All right, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good.
good enough.
Well, I just got it all over my hand, but oh,
Who cares?
okay.
Who cares?
All right, guys, this is how you do
This crazy slime.
crazy slime.
Comment down below what we should name this slime.
Slime. Well, it's actually I already have a name. It's Nickelodeon
Slime.
Slime.
No, but like it would be
Alright.
cool if it came like little labels that you could put on here and go zoop, and name it. But we don't need these little cups because we have this giant.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Alright.
we might see you in another video doing another slime
Yeah.
of this type.
Maybe next time we can do the double amount.
Yeah, we could double the amount.
Yeah. We just have to get a bigger bowl.
Well, we could just like wash out these bowls. And
No, I mean if we're gonna do double, we have to get like
two.
bigger bowl.
Well,
so it
no,
will,
if we
like,
doubled the amount, we would just do like the same process as last. Want to
Probably.
double it?
Yeah.
Alright, alright.